Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Apply English School. I hope you all must be fine here. As you know, this is your class 5th. We were reading a chapter number 9. Up you go. This is the summary of the explanation part 3. Let's start reading the summary. This is an incident of 10th February 1984. In this part, she is telling that they had to climb 15 kilometers to reach Tekla village. They had their rucksacks that have all the needed things such as food packets, water bottles, rope, plastic sheet, diary, torch, vessel, glucose, jaggery, chana and some other snacks. We could see some fruits and vegetables growing in the steppe fields, the crop that are cultivated on the mountains by making steps that are called steppe fields. I have told you in the explanation of the chapter. So that during heavy rain, the soil do not spoil all its important minerals, which is important for the crop. She is telling that Colonel Ram Singh is standing on 90 meters high rock with packs and ropes. They had been told to first observe the rock carefully where you are to put your hands and feet. She is telling that I also wanted to go first now, but as I took my first step, I slipped and I was swinging from a rope. I heard, keep your back straight, do not bend. Sorry, this is the spelling of bend. This spelling is wrong. So bend, the spelling of bend is B-E-N-D, bend. So listen carefully. This is B-E-N-D, bend. Bend means jhukna. Keep your body at an angle of 90 degree while climbing. Keeping this in mind, I started to climb up and I succeed. The funny incident is the event of 14th February 1984. It was evening. Khandanbi was feeling hungry. We did not have anything to eat. Just now, Khandanbi looked a field of cucumber. She just jumped up and plucked 2 big cucumber and come back. Just then, a woman came from behind, hold the bag of Khandanbi and started to say something in her language. Me and Khandanbi did not understand her language. Khandanbi was trying to explain in her Mizo language, but she could not understand her language. At last, I folded my hand to say that we were sorry. Now it was already dark. We thought that we have lost our way. I tightly held her hand and called out loudly. We both started to whistle loudly and flash the torches. And at last our group recognized us and we were with the group again. So this was the summary of the chapter, that is part 3. So we will meet. I think I have sent you the explanation of the part 3. Now we will meet in the summary of part 4. The lesson, dear students, I have already sent you the explanation of part 4 too. So again, I will give you the summary of part 4 later. Listen carefully and try to understand. Good day.